Just incredible. That is a serious piece of geology right there. Good afternoon. It's 2:40 p.m. in Kerry in Ireland, which is magnificent. Cruising down this little road towards some of the most stunning coastline you're ever likely to see in your life. So today I'm going to make my way along the southern part of one of the peninsulas that pokes out into the Atlantic Ocean here. It's a beautiful day. Let's go. So this is one of those videos where I've done literally zero planning, and my expectation is that interesting things will happen along the way. Not really sure where I am here. Side quest time. Kerry has some of the most incredible riding roads I think I've ever been on. If you can hold your nerve on the blind corners, like this one. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video and these spectacular surroundings, then I cordially invite you to subscribe to this channel for more of the same. Looks like on my route back I have to go back through Ballaghbeama Gap again, which I did in my previous video here. But I feel like I didn't spend quite enough time appreciating it for its spectacularness. That is a serious piece of geology right there. Wow. Dude. Just look at this place. just incredible. As the sun sets here in Ireland, I'm going to leave you from County Kerry. If you enjoyed the video, please go down the bottom there and hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.